Sanibonani ngane zakwethu ake nginibingelele ngiphinde nginamukele kuphinda kuphi-ke la kuzofinyela khona le video wengane wethu ngihamba uqala-ke ungena kule channel ngicindezele usubscribe. U-Dolly ubona-ke ukunqoba idabhi-ke kungajika izinto kwi-Chiefs. Indlela-ke edlala ngayo-ke iKaizer Chiefs-ke muva nje inokushiya-ke abalandeli bayo-ke bekhathazekile futhi-ke uKeagan-ke usebeke amathemba-ke akhe emdlalweni wedabhi-ke yaseSoweto-ke ozayo-ke ukujika izinto njengoba-ke ezobe-ke edlala-ke uhlanu-ke idabhi yaseSoweto. U-Dolly-ke uyakubona-ke ukubaluleka-ke ukunqoba-ke kulo mdlalo-ke omkhulukazi kuzobe-ke ngosihlanu-ke lapha ngidlala-ke idabhi uma-ke ngidlalile ngomgqibelo. Usho kanje-ke u-Dolly-ke kwabezindaba ngolwesine lo mdlalo-ke ubheke ngabovu-ke la i-Chiefs-ke izobhekana khona-ke nezimbangi zayo-ke ezindala i-Orlando Pirates. Uhleleke lapha kuqala-ke ngophasi lapha ntambama e-FNB Stadium. U-Dolly-ke uyaqonda lapha-ke ukubaluleka kwalo mdlalo hhayi kubo-ke njengabadlali-ke kuphela kodwa-ke nakubuyiseni-ke ithemba lapha-ke kubalandeli. Ngicabanga ukuthi-ke lo mdlalo-ke uzohluka-ke kulokhu ngenxa yesimo-ke somabili-ke amaqembu akusona kulokhu-ke akulwela-ke igunya-ke lokuthoma nje kuphela kodwa-ke namaphuzu amathathu-ke abaluleke kakhulu. Amaphuzu amathathu-ke abalulekile-ke kithi-ke ukuthi sinyuke lapha-ke kwilogi uchaza-ke u-Dolly-ke odlala esiswini-ke futhi-ke intonokazi-ke yabalandeli kwi-Chiefs. Thina-ke siyi-Kaizer Chiefs-ke sesikhulumile-ke ngalento ngemuva nje umdlalo wayizolo ngoluthathu ukuthi-ke imidlalo-ke elandelanayo-ke kumele-ke sinqobe. Awukho-ke umehluko-ke ngalo mgqibelo-ke sifuna-ke ukuqoqa amaphuzu amathathu bese sigcina-ke umqiqo wethu wokuwina, kusho-ke uKeagan. Njengoba-ke leli qembu selineminyaka lapha neshagalolunye lingayazi indebe yonke-ke into elenzayo-ke liyabhekisiswa-ke ngabalandeli abasheshe-ke bathunukale. U-Dolly-ke uyavuma ukuthi-ke ukunqoba lo mdlalo-ke wangomgqibelo-ke kungadlala enkulu indima ekuhliseni-ke laphana ingcindezi-ke kubuyise-ke nokuzethemba eqenjini. Siyazi-ke ukunqoba-ke idabhi-ke into enkulu kubalandeli kodwa ekugcineni-ke into ebalulekile-ke amaphuzu amathathu-ke njengakuyo yonke-ke imidlalo yeligi. Siyazi yini-ke elindelekile, siyazi-ke abalandeli-ke bajabule kanjani kodwa-ke thina-ke singabadlali owethu-ke kuya ngokuthi-ke yonke imidlalo ngenhloso-ke yokuyinqoba. Yonke-ke imidlalo-ke kumele-ke ibeke ngebalulekile-ke thina siwine-ke ukujabulisa abalandeli bethu nakanjani-ke futhi-ke sifuna-ke ukunqoba-ke lo mdlalo kuzokwenza-ke siye ekhefini-ke ingcindezi-ke seyehlile ukwethu-ke ukuzama-ke ukuthola-ke amaphuzu amathathu-ke bese sigcina-ke lapha nomqiqo wethu kuphetha laphana-ke u-Dolly. Lo mdlali-ke uphinde laphana-ke wadlulisa umlayezo laphana-ke ku-penalty park walimala kabuhlungu-ke laphana-ke elinyazwa-ke ngubonganzungu-ke weMamelodi Sundowns ovele izwele-ke la wengane wethu kanti-ke uphinde waphawula-ke noma-ke wahambisa-ke umyalezo laphana-ke kwi-Orlando Pirates.
I think it's football, it's part of football. There's quite a few injuries that one can get, and it would be harmless, someone wouldn't want to intentively trying to hurt you, but when I spoke to Bernard, it wasn't a foul call, but I actually messaged him, just trying to encourage him and give him the words to come back stronger and telling him that South African football still needs him, and I think there's a better way of him ending his career. Pirates? Why?
No, ngiyabuza ngibona ngathi nonke nikhuluma ama-answers are-modest akekho ofuna ukuba nenkani.
Angibasabi mina.
Awasabi.
Ngidlale 4 ngawina 4.
Hey, nazo-ke zakhala.
Ngane wethu yena-ke lapha nomdlalo we-Kaizer Chiefs-ke lona-ke uKeagan edlulisa-ke amazwi laphana-ke abhekise-ke ku-penalty park wabese ethumela-ke umyalezo laphana-ke kwi-Orlando Pirates. Wengane wethu ilezi-ke indaba-ke engithe ngathola zona ezinye-ke sizokulethela zona-ke ishiso kwakho nje ukusubscribe-ke kule channel yethu.